Hi, this is Regitze from Greatest Marketing Agency. How much money should you spend on your ads before turning them off? Well, it really depends. It depends a lot on the size of your offer. If you have a more expensive offer, then it takes more money, of course, to before you get a purchase, because it's a lot bigger ask to ask people to spend a lot of money on your offer. So then you have to spend more on your ads. It also depends on how old your business is, how much trust people have in it, how many testimonials you have, and also your landing page, how that works. But you can generally say that if you have, let's say you have an offer for $100 and you were running ads for 7 days and you spent $200, then you can throw it away. But if you ran ads for, let's say, also 7 days and your cost per purchase is now 120, then you can maybe let it run a little bit longer, because Facebook will continuously optimize, and it may become a really good ad, a profitable ad. So it really depends. That you can't set any certain date or any certain amount of spend before you turn it off. Hope it helps. If you have any questions, please comment below. If you want us to do all this for you, then we specialize in Facebook and Instagram advertising for coaches, consultants, entrepreneurs. You can book a call with me or my team to learn more about it. There's a link in the description. Also in the description, there's a free ebook called Mastering Social Media Marketing Strategies for Coaches, Consultants, Entrepreneurs. And also please join our free Facebook group, Facebook Advertising for Coaches, Consultants, Entrepreneurs. There you can ask a lot of questions from me and other marketers. If you like it, if you like the video, please give me a like and please subscribe. I hope to see you again next time. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.